Another great day in the north, I tell you. Yeah, it's another beautiful day here. I must say, absolutely gorgeous. Best day ahead so far in spring, so far anyway. Anyway, it's been a few days now since I've been at the cottage here, and just getting back here now. For good reason too. I ran out of material, so I ended up having to fire up the bandsaw for a few days. And in here today, now I'm going to take advantage of this beautiful day. A few projects on the go for today. Depending on how much time I got. First one being, well, the last few days have been sawing during the day, pulling in material in the evenings. I think about 3 truckloads of material we hauled in. Yeah, about 3 truckloads, and I got a truckload there now, so we just tossed it inside. So that got to be taken care of today, and show you some of the stuff there now that I sawed the last few days. And if I got time, I might build a wharf too. Sick of hauling the boat in the beach. It's hard on the boat too. Alright, we'll start here. Alright, that's some beautiful stuff there. This is all full inch birch. That's 1 truckload there. And that's heavy too. See, it's all, a lot of it's 14 inches, I think. Some stuff 16, 12. It's all side live edge. And this got to get stowed up inside and brace so it can dry, because this is going to be my trim and flooring for the den and the kitchen. Alright, I'll take a walk inside, and that's some 1-inch decking that I sawed for the WHARF. It's only 6 foot length, and inside I ran it a 2x4, so I sawed a shitload of that and there, and some more 1-inch decking, 8 feet, and this is more birch, a lot of it, yeah. Some beautiful wide planks, boy. So wow, crazy, absolutely gorgeous stuff when it's seasoned and dressed. And I can tell already a lot of this is tiger stripe glue, so that's going to make some beautiful flooring. And the WHARF project is out right here. That is an old boat trailer I made, geez, 7-8 years ago. I don't use it anymore because I bought another one, a factory job. So I'm going to take that, deck it over, and have a wharf on wheels I can pull in and out in the fall of the year. Or pull out in the fall of the year and launch in the spring. No worries about the ice taking it. So to get at that, if I got time today. Yeah, so that's it. That's the projects for today, but priority number 1 is to get this friggin' mess cleaned up in here. It's a bit ridiculous there now. And that birch got to be properly stowed and blocked, and some weight put on it so it can season straight. I left it live edge because from experience, it doesn't tend to warp or twist, but it has a tendency to curve when it's drying. So I left it live edge, and after it's dried I can just take skill saw or table saw and just square off the edges then, and that way I don't have so much wastage. Alright, pitter patter, we better get at her. Wow, look at this stuff. That's amazing. Bring it on. Alright, so in here, along this wall, there's going to be 2 bedrooms and a bathroom. So I got a petition to put in for the bathroom, but the divider between the 2 bedrooms I'm going to leave out, and I'm going to use that for a workshop. So I'm going to take all the material that's kicking around the camp here and stow it all in there. So I got a good open area to work in, because I got ceilings to strap and there's crap in the way. There's lumber everywhere, a wood stove to go in. Yeah, so it'd be awesome if I had all this cleaned up and out of the way. So yeah, I'm going to start with the birch first because I got to get that weight in my truck. Yeah. So the birch, I'm going to stone 2 plank wide, and between each one there's going to be an inch strip, pretty well the way I just showed you it's stowed. And it's probably going to go to the ceiling, I'd say. But that way the weight of itself would keep it nice and straight. The only ones I'm going to have to put any weight on is probably the top ones. Yeah, let's get out. Alright, so this, all the birch is carried in, stowed up there, and it's heavy stuff too. Alright, I gotta organize the 2x4, the 2x6, so I can get access to it when I need it, and the flies are getting out. Yeah, so we get at that now and get that organized, and take the broom, and pick up some of the gear that's kicking around, and give her a good sweeping. And I'm going to get at the wharf, hopefully. See how much time we got. Yeah, I'm trying to get all this cleaned up because I hate working in clutter and moving up and tripping over everything. It's not fit. You stay organized and everything goes a lot smoother, I find. Alright. Alright, so there you have it. Started decking over. I just put 3 stringers on the blocking there. I gotta cut all that tire and boat winch and everything off the front there and put one across there and deck her over, and she's ready to back out in the water. Well, kinda ready. Trim off the edges and stuff. That's gonna be great. Somewhere sensible to tie up my boat for a change. Yeah. And what's a lake without a dock and a boat tied up? What's the point of having a lakefront cottage and no wharf? Huh. Yeah, so and it's great to have these little side projects too. It breaks up the monotony from working on the other place. Here on the back of the cabin now because the wind is blowing again. Alright, so yeah, we'll cut that off now and finish decking it over, back it out in the water. Alright, so there you have it. Gotta be the fastest wharf ever built. Took me an hour and a half to deck that over. Wicked. What a dock, boy. Block her up a little bit on that end there now. Put a plank for walking up on. We're good to go. Oh, I forgot one other thing.